9.6, 9.6. Ans Mistry is our student. Ans Mistry. Okay, okay. हाँ हाँ, mute the microphone. Now 9.67 we start. 5x upon, हाँ, good morning. 5x upon 3 is equal to x plus 4. Leave 3 pages. This is my left hand side, this is my right hand side. This is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. On left hand side we keep all the variables. So variables are x, x. Good morning. So this variable x, we take it on the left side. So this becomes 5x upon 3. Then when we take the variable x of right hand side to left hand side, plus x become minus x is equal to 4. And then we take all the variable on left hand side and all the number on right hand side. So plus 2 is on the left side. I will take plus 2 on the right side, it becomes minus 2. So it will be 4 minus 2. So 5x upon 3 minus x is equal to 4 minus 2, 2. Now let us simplify this. This is x, this is x, this is a fraction. 5x upon 5x upon 3 is a fraction. And x is not a fraction. So to convert this into fraction, we write in the denominator 1. We write in the denominator 1. X, 5x upon 3 minus x. 5x upon 3 minus x. But x is not, because my dear, x is not a fraction. 5x upon 3 is a fraction, x is not a fraction. To convert x into fraction, we write in the denominator 1. So this becomes a fraction. Now we make denominator, let it be, right hand side let it be 2. Now let us simplify left hand side. Now I will take the LCM of denominator. LCM of 3 and 1 is, what is LCM of 3 and 1? 3 and 1 is 3. So I will make the denominator of each one on left hand side as 3. So this is 5x upon 3 only. Then to make this 3, so I will multiply and divide by 3. So that is 3x upon 3. Multiply and divide by 3. Are you getting? Let me write one more step if you want. X into 3 upon 1 into 3. 2 we write 2 upon 1. Chalo. 2 we write 2 upon 1. Only we are taking LCM on the left hand side, not on right hand side. So this becomes 5x upon 3 minus 3 into x is 3x. 3x upon 3 is equal to 2 upon 1. Now denominator is same, 3, 3. Denominator is same, 3, 3. So we can simplify numerator. Numerator is 5x minus 3x whole divided by 3 is equal to 2 upon 1. Now my dear, right hand side it is 2, no? So 2 I can write 2 upon 1. Only we are taking LCM on the left hand side. We are taking LCM on the left hand side only. Good morning, good morning. We are taking LCM on the left hand side only. Now, whenever variables are same, x, we simplify their coefficient. This is 5, and this is 3. Variables are same, x. So we simplify their coefficient. What is 5 minus 3? 2x. So 5x minus 3x. Variables are same. 5. Good morning. Mute the microphone. 5 minus 3 is 2x. 2x upon 3 is equal to 2 upon 1. Mute the microphone, please. 5 minus 3 is 2. So that becomes 2x upon 3. 2x upon 3 is equal to 2 upon 1. Now this is the... My dear, all of you mute the microphone. Don't communicate. Now I will start removing one by one. If you will not pay attention. Now 5 minus 3 is 2. So 5x minus 3x is 2x. Now 2x upon 3 is a fraction. 2 upon 1 is a fraction. Whenever there is equality of fraction, we cross multiply. Whenever there is equality of fraction, we cross multiply. Cross multiply. So you will get 2x into 1. 2x into 1 is equal to 2 into 3. So 2x into 1 means 2x is equal to 3 into 2, 6. What do you mean by 2x? So 2 into x is equal to 6. Again, this is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. On left hand side, 2 is in the multiplication. 2 is in the multiplication. So when I will change the side of 2, 2 will go in the division. So x is equal to 6 divided by 2. You can cancel 6 with 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. So answer is x is equal to 3. Answer is x is equal to 3. Yes. Again I am explaining. Yes. Again I am explaining this. No, but full sum. Now again I am explaining from the beginning. 5x upon 3 plus 2 is equal to x plus 4. This is my left hand side, this is my right hand side. What we do in this equation, we take all the variable on left side and all the numbers on right side. So x is the variable. This I will take it on the left side, that become plus x become minus x. Then all the number we take it on the right side, plus 2 become minus 2. Then 5x upon 3 is a fraction. X is not a fraction. So to make it fraction, I will write x upon 1. Then 4 minus 2 is 2. Now on the left hand side, we have to simplify. So I will take denominator, LCM of the denominator 3 and 1 is 3. So this is 5x upon 3. To make the denominator 3, I will multiply and divide by 3. So 5x upon 3 minus 3x upon 3 is equal to 2. 2 we write 2 upon 1. Then now denominators are same, 3, 3. So I can simplify numerator. 5x minus 3x upon 3 is equal to 2 upon 1. Whenever variables... My dear, denominator is same, then you will not subtract denominator. You will simplify the numerator. You will simplify the numerator. Because see here, we want to simplify this. The denominator is 3. Denominator is 3. We want the denominator of x 3. So to make the equal denominator of both the fraction, I will take LCM of 3 and 1. LCM of 3 and 1 is 3. So this is already 3. To make this 3, I will multiply and divide by 3. So you will get 2x upon 3 is equal to 2 upon 1. This is one fraction. This is other fraction. Whenever you have equality of two fractions, you have to cross multiply. So 2x into 1 is equal to 3 into 2. 2x multiplied with 1 is 2x. 2 into 3 is 6. 2x means 2 into x, 6. 2 is there in the multiplication, so 2 will go in the division. My dear, we are cross multiplying. Upper one it is 3, no? Denominator is common. Whenever denominators are same, you can take the denominator common. हाँ 3 into 1 हाँ 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 1 is 3. Do it. 3 into 1 is 3. Wait. 2x into 1 is equal to 2 into 2. So 2x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 upon 2. So x is equal to 3. Write it. Then wait. Then 8. 3x plus 9 standard student, please leave the group because this is 6th standard class going on. Leave the group. 9 standard. So 3x plus 2, because they are having same link and their period was earlier. So they are there. Please 9 standard leave the class. So 3x upon 2 whole divided by 5 is 4. So this I can write 3x upon 2 divided by 5 is equal to 4 upon 1, because this is a fraction. Left hand side is fraction, so right hand side we also write fraction. Now this is one fraction, this is other fraction. There is equality of fraction. Whenever there is equality of fraction, we cross multiply. Third F means they are the brother or sister of. So no, don't worry for that. This is one fraction. This is one fraction. This is the other fraction. So whenever there is equality of fraction, we cross multiply. So you will get 3x plus 2 into 1 is equal to 4 into 5. Cross multiply. So 1 multiplied with 3x plus 2 will give you 3x plus 2 is equal to 5 into 4, 20. 5 4s are 20. 2 into it. So this is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. So now I will take the number 2 on the left hand side, right hand side. So 3x is equal to 20 minus 2. Plus 2 become minus 2. So 3x is equal to 20 minus 2, 18. What do you mean by 3x? 3 into x. So 3 into x is equal to 18. 3 pages. 18 divided by 3. 18 divided by 3. So 3 1 are 3, 3 6 are 18. So answer is x is equal to 6. Answer is x is equal to 6. Now again I am explaining. No other method. 3x plus 2 upon 5. 3. Yes, again I am explaining. 3x plus 2 upon 5 is a fraction. Then 4 is not a fraction. So I will write 4 upon 1. So now this is one fraction. This is other fraction. Whenever there is equality of two fractions, we cross multiply. So 3x plus 2 into 1 is equal to 5 into 4. 1 multiplied with 3x plus 2 will give you 3x plus 2. 4 5 are 20. Now plus 2 is on the left side. I will take it on the right side. It will be minus 2. 20 minus 2. So 3x is 18. 3x means 3 into x is 18. 3 is there in the multiplication. So 3 will go in the division. 18 upon 3, that is 6. So our answer is x is equal to 6. Answer is x is equal to 6. Then same problems are there. 9. x upon 2 minus 6, x upon 2 minus 6 is equal to x upon 3 minus 5, x upon 3 minus 5. This will be given homework, same as 7th one, same as 7th one. Then 10, 2y upon 3, wait, 2y upon 3 minus 8 is equal to 2, wait, no, my dear, 2 minus y, this is same as 7th one, same as 7th one. You can do the homework after your exam. X upon 2 plus 2, mute the microphone, is equal to 5 minus x. So these three problems are same as 7th problem. 9, 10th, 11 is same as 7th. They are same as 7th. Now 12th I will do. 12th I will do. That is 3 into 5x minus 2. 3 into 5x minus 2 minus 4 into x plus 4 is equal to 7 into x minus 1, 7 into x minus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3 into 5x minus 2 minus 4 into x plus 4 is equal to 7 into x minus 1 plus 1. Okay. So 12. Right. So 12th one I had to explain nicely. So I will give enough time in this. So 3 into 5x minus 2 plus minus 4 into x plus 4 is equal to 7 into x minus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So this I had to explain nicely. So all of you complete the earlier part. This is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. After equal to, it is my right hand side.